Students, ask your friends to join the session.
చూడు
Kirti. Ask your friends to join the session. Fine. Now, team, say this one. In the today's session, I will discuss with you variables. Let me discuss about variables. Now, go to our web folder. So this is the web folder. Fine. Let me create one HTML. I want to create one HTML. So here, right click, new file, variables.html. Fine. Why variable? Variables are used to store the data. Fine. Krishna, repeat again here. Why variables? Variables are used to store the data. Fine. Now, team, see this one here. Can you tell the doc type? Less than, not doc type, HTML. Team, can you tell the root element? Can you tell the root element? Which one is the root element? Answer. Which one is the root element? HTML. HTML is the root element. Now, coming to the HTML. HTML divided into two categories. First category is the head category. First one is the head category and the second one is the body. Now, let me take another thing. What is the another thing? Body. First one is the head. The second one is the body. Now, coming to the head. Coming to the head. Define the title. How to define the title? Title equal to. Here we have the title. The title equal to variables. Variables examples. Variables examples. Now go to which section? Go to which section? Body section. In the body section, let me take script tag. Team, which tag we need to take? Respond. Which tag we need to take? We need to take one tag, then that tag we can call the script tag. So let me take the script tag. Fine. How to create one variable? Where, team, say this one. Where num1. What is the variable name? The variable name equal to decimal or anything. We can take anything, not an issue. We are able to take anything, not an issue. No, variable decimal equal to, I wanted to place the 100. Fine, team, see this one. Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 automatically stored to decimal. Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 automatically stored to decimal. Fine, team, I wanted to print it. How to print it? Document.write of decimal, comma. Let me create line breaker. BR stands for what? Line breaker. Fine. Yeah. Students see this one. Next one, I wanted to take. Another thing I need to take. Next one, variable. Variable double. Variable double equal to 100.12345. So, is it a double number? Students, tell me, is it a double number? Yes, this is the double number. This is a double number stored to which variable? Double variable. Whatever the number we have, that number stored to a double. Now we need to print it. How to print it? Document write off double, and here comma comma, we need to plus what line break. Whatever the line break we have, that line break we need to take it. Next one. Now, students see the another thing, and one more thing is the after completing this one, then we need to go through the another thing. How to create hexadecimal number. I want to create hexadecimal number. How to create a hexadecimal number? Variable hexadecimal. Variable hexadecimal equal to hexadecimal number starts with what? 0x. Whatever the hexadecimal number we have, that hexadecimal number starts with the 0x. 0x, I want to place 1, 2, 3 ABC. 1, 2, 3 ABC. Fine, say this one. 0x 1, 2, 3 ABC. So this is the hexadecimal number. This is a hexadecimal number stored to one variable. Which variable? Hexadecimal variable. Now, students are serious one. Print hexadecimal. Whatever the hexadecimal we have, I need to print hexadecimal. How to print it? Document data. Document dot write off. Document dot write off hexadecimal. Simply, we need to print the hexadecimal. Fine. Here, we need to take line breakup. So, internally, what happened? Internally, what happened? Whatever the hexadecimal number we have, that hexadecimal number converted it to decimal. Whatever the hexadecimal number we have, that hexadecimal number converted it to decimal. Auto conversion automatically converted to decimal. So that is internal code. Next one, team, let me take octal number. How to take octal number? Variable octal. Variable octal equal to octal number starts with 0 O. 0 O 1 2 3. So students, is it a octal number? Respond. Is it a octal number? At least to chart with me. Say yes or no, you need to chart with me. Yes, so this is the octal number. Print octal number. How to print octal number? Document dot write off. Document dot write off octal. And here we need to take line breaker. So whatever the octal number we have, this octal number will convert to decimal. Automatically will convert to what? Decimal. Next one. Say this one. Variable binary. Variable binary equal to 0b 1010. Students, is it a binary number? Talk with me. Is it a binary number? Yes, this is the binary number. Whatever the binary number we have, this binary number automatically converts to decimal. One. Print binary number. How to print binary number? Document dot write off. Document write off which one? Binary, comma, and here we need to take line breaker. No, yeah, students, let me run the code. No, say this one. This is which number? Decimal number. Students, this is which number? Double number. Whatever the number we have, then this number we can call double number. Students, this is which number? Hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number converted to decimal number. Hexadecimal number converted to which number? Converted to decimal number. Is it a octal number? Yes. Octal number converted to decimal number. Is it a binary number? Yes. Binary number converted to decimal number. Remember that point, a binary number. Whatever the binary number we have, that binary number converted to decimal number. Remember that point. Fine. And students, any confusion to understand this one? Can I ask a few questions? Will you chart with me? Hexadecimal number starts with the answer. Hexadecimal number starts with the chart with me. At least you people need to chart with me. 0x. Octal number starts with the 0 O. Binary number starts with the Binary number starts with the 0p. Students, repeat again. Hexadecimal number starts with the, tell me, hexadecimal number starts with the 0x. Yes or not? Octal number starts with the 0O. Binary number starts with the 0B. B stands for binary. Fine. Now, students see the another thing. How to create string. I wanted to create the string. Yes, we can create it here, not an issue. Yeah. How to create a string? Students are say this one. Here, variable, variable, observe this one. Variable sub equal to, variable sub equal to, sub equal to, here I wanted to place JavaScript. Variable sub equal to JavaScript. Whatever the JavaScript we have, that JavaScript store to where sub. And another thing, variable and another thing, variable, variable. Here I wanted to place wish equal to, let me take backtick operator. This operator we can call a backtick operator. It's not the single quotes, it's a backtick operator. Whatever the operator we have, this operator we can call backtick operator. Fine. Here I wanted to place welcome to JavaScript. Students, let me know where is the JavaScript. JavaScript store to one variable or not. Which variable? Sub variable. How to refer sub variable here? Dollar curly bracket sub. Dollar curly bracket sub. Automatically, dollar curly bracket sub. Automatically, variable to include one variable to another variable. If you want to include one variable to another variable, at that time we need to follow this syntax. Which is syntax we need to follow? Dollar curly bracket sub. Automatically we are able to include one variable to another variable. Fine. Yeah. Now students say this one. Students, this is symbol of what you call backtick symbol. Backtick. This is symbol introduced into which version? ES6 version. Yes or not? This is symbol technically what you call template literal. Whatever the symbol we have, that symbol technically we can call template literal. And print wish. How to print wish? Document data. Document data. Right off. Which one? Wish. Here we need to take line breaker. Now automatically we are able to see the output. Which output we are able to see? Welcome to welcome to what? Welcome to JavaScript. Automatically we are able to see this output. Fine. Now students see the another thing. Now is it a string? This is symbol of what do you call? Backtick. Yes or not? Backtick released in which version? Tell me students, be active. Backtick released in which version? ES6. This backtick technically what do you call? Template literal. Whatever the backtick we have, that backtick technically we can call template literal. What do you call? Technically we can call template literal. Fine. Now students say the another thing. And one more thing is let me take Boolean variable. I want you to take one variable, then that variable we can call a Boolean variable. How to take a Boolean variable? Say this one. Variable, say this one. Variable flag equal to. Variable flag equal to what? Flag equal to true. Fine. Whatever the true we have, the true store to flag itself. Whatever the true we have, the true store to flag. Yes or not? Fine. Here observe this one. If it is a true, if it is a true, now print. What you wanted to print? Document dot write off. Document write off. I wanted to print JavaScript. JavaScript, comma, line breaker. If it is a true, if it is a true, I wanted to print JavaScript. Fine. For example, if it is a false, if it is a false, document dot write off. Document dot write off. Here I wanted to print. Here I wanted to print Python. I wanted to print what? Python, comma, comma. Here I wanted to place line breaker. Simply we need to place a line breaker. Students say this one. Is it true or false? Students tell me, is it true or false? True. Am I right or not? This is the true. If it is a true, if it is a true, what is the answer? Respond. If it is a true, what is the answer? Answer is the what is the answer? Answer is the JavaScript. Check that one. Students, are we getting the JavaScript here? Answer. Are we getting the JavaScript here? Yes. Now copy this code. copy and paste it. Fine. Instead of, say this one, students, instead of a flag, I wanted to place not a flag. Instead of flag, I wanted to place what? Not a flag. Not a flag means what? It's a false. Opposite to true. Students, if it is a opposite to true, false na? False in the sense, what is the answer? Answer is the Python. Got the Python na? Yes. Then whatever we have, this one we can call conditional operator or a ternary operator. Technically, we can call what? Ternary operator. Fine. Now, students say the another thing. Fine. Can I say, is it a number? Reply, is it a number? Yes. Is it a string? Talk with me. Is it a string? Yes, so this is the string. Is it a Boolean? Answer either true or false. Either true or false, what do you call? Boolean. Fine. Next one. And another thing, let me take one more thing here, undefined. Fine. Variable declared. Students say this one. Variable declared or not. But is it initialized? Is it initialized? No, na. Students tell me. Variable declared. But is it initialized? Is it initialized? No, it's not initialized. Variable declared, but not initialized. But not initialized, we can call undefined. What do you call? Technically, we can call undefined. So now try to say this one. Here, document data. Document dot write off what? X, comma, line break. So this one we can call whatever we have. Whatever we have, that one we can call undefined. Yes or not? So what is undefined? Variable declared, but a value not assigned. Variable declared, but a value not assigned. Value not defined, called as undefined. Fine. Students, on one more point. Now, X contain undefined or not? Students, X contain undefined or not? Whoever there in the class, whoever there in the YouTube live, try to chat with me. You people need to chat with me. Whoever there in the YouTube, try to chat with me. Understanding is important. Understanding is important. Whoever watching in the YouTube, just get the confirmation to me. Fine. Now, X contain undefined or not? X contain undefined. Undefined with any arithmetic operations. Undefined with any arithmetic operations. Result will be NaN. Students, what is the result? Result will be NaN. NaN stands for not an number. NaN stands for what? NaN stands for not an number. Say this one. Students, observe this one. Here, document dot write off. Documented write off x plus 10. Documented write off x plus 10. Now say this one. So undefined with arithmetic operation or not? Undefined with arithmetic operation, then the result will be, what is the result here? Result will be NaN. Very, very important in the interview point of view. Fine. Now undefined with any arithmetic operation, result will be what? Result will be NaN. Remember that point. Fine. Now, students see the another point. Fine. Why null? Null is there. Why null? Null representing empty value or blank value. Coming to the null. Null representing empty value or blank value. Students, can you tell me again, what is a null? Null representing empty value or blank value. Fine. For example, here I have the variable y. I wanted to make like empty or blank. So how to make it here? Y equal to null. Y equal to what? Null. Fine. Now null with any arithmetic operations. Null with any arithmetic while performing arithmetic operations. Null converted to zero. Only null. Null converted to zero. Students, remember that point. While performing arithmetic operations, null converted to zero. Fine. Now students, check this one. Here document dot Document dot write off y plus 10. Document dot write off y plus 10. So whatever the y we have, y contain the null or not? Students tell me, y contain the null or not? Null. That null converted to 0. 0 plus 10. What is the answer? 0 plus 10. What is the answer? 10 is the answer. 10 is the answer. Check that one. No, automatically we are able to see the answer. Answer is the 10. Fine. Now, students see the another thing, and one more thing is the now uh, uh, to store large numbers, very big numbers. If you want to store very big numbers at the time, we have one special data type. Then that data type we can call big int. That data type we can call what? Big int. Big int. Big int used to store large number, very big number. So, for example, variable large number equal to variable large number equal to very big number. Say this one. If you wanted to store these kind of big numbers, at that time we need to go for big int data type. Big int suffix with small n. At the end, you need to place a small n. Then only we are able to store large numbers. Otherwise, we are unable to store what? Large numbers. Fine. Students, let me print it. How to print it? Document data. Document data. Write off which one? Large. Say this one. Are we able to print the large number or not? Answer. Are we able to print the large number or not? Fine. Students, if you want to store very large number, that number must suffix with small n. That number must suffix with small n. That one we can call big int. This data type we can call what we call big int data type. Whatever the data type we have, this data type technically we can call big int data type. Fine. Now students see the another thing. And one more thing is the now let me have to look into the one more thing here. Let me have to look into the one more thing. The next one is the here observe this one. Uh, to represent unique case. For example, I have one object. Object contain same case. To separate, to distinguish between same case, to provide separation between same case. At that time, we have one more data type. Then that data type we can call symbol data type. So how to create it? Variable symbol equal to here what you wanted to place symbol of what you wanted to place symbol of I need to place the hello. Fine. I think the students are just to know the theoretical information. If possible in the upcoming classes I will do the debugging with the symbol data type. Say this one. If we have multiple cases with the same name, if we have multiple keys with the same name, to distinguish between those keys, to provide a separation between those keys. At that time, we will use one data type, then that data type we can call symbol data type. Fine. Now, students print the symbol. How to print the symbol? Document dot write off. Document dot write off symbol. I think we are unable to print it. Now take the console.log. What happened? We will see. Open the console, inspect console. Yes. We are able to see it, friends. Not more than that one. Fine. Now, students, say this one. Did we discuss about numbers? Say yes or no. Did we discuss about numbers? Yes, we discussed about numbers. And did we discuss about string? Answer, yes, we discussed about the string also. Next one. Did we discuss about Boolean with the ternary operator? Boolean with the ternary operator discussed or not? Yes, we discussed about a Boolean with the ternary operator. And another thing, Did we discuss about undefined? Students tell me, did we discuss about undefined? Yes, we discussed about undefined also. Next one, what we discussed and we discussed about null also. Whatever the null we have, that null also we discussed. Next one, students, and are we able to store very big number? Are we able to store very big number? Yes. How to store? The big number must suffix with what? The big number must suffix with the n. Then automatically we're able to store the large numbers also. And another thing, how to provide separation between same keys with the help of what? With the help of symbol data type. Symbol data type is used to provide separation between same keys. Comment this one. Fine. Students say the another thing I need to do the another thing. One more example I need to do. Fine. Observe this one. Fine. I will write some wrong code. I'm requesting you people need to identify the output and comment the code. Word code I need to comment. Now, students say this one. Let me write some wrong code. Fine. Here variable x equal to 100. Once again, variable x equal to 200. Fine. X declared how many times? X declared how many times? Short with me. Two times. But don't to declare like that. So these variables we can call duplicate variables. Don't to declare same variable again and again. We are not allowed to declare same variable again and again. Finally, this code is the wrong or not? Yes or not? Duplicate variables, this code is the wrong. If it is a wrong code, we are expecting error or not. What is the output we are expecting? What is the output? Tell me, what is the output we are expecting? We are expecting output. The output is the error is the output. Fine, check it. Whether we are receiving the error or not, we need to check it. Document dot write off X. Students, what we are expecting? Error. But students, instead of error, what we are getting? 200. But as a developer, what we are expecting? Chart with me. As a developer, what we are expecting? Error. But instead of error, what we are getting? 200. Yes or not? But see this one. Where contain, where contain bug. Where keyword contain the bug. Because of a bug, we got the 200. So output is not correct. There's a wrong output. But how to get error? To get error, we have another keyword. Then that keyword we can call let keyword. Which keyword we have? Let keyword. If you take let keyword, automatically we will get the error. Students say this one. If I take where keyword, what is the answer? 200. If I take let keyword, what is the answer? Error. Got it or not? If I take a where keyword, answer is the 200. If I take a let keyword, answer is the error. Fine. Where allows duplicates. Coming to the where allows duplicates. Let, coming to the let won't allows duplicates. Remember that one. Final who is correct? Final who is correct? Let is correct. Where is not correct. From now onwards, I'm requesting you use let keyword. Don't use the where keyword. Got it now? Fine. Now, students say the another thing. Copy this one, comment it. Fine. I will write the code, then you people need to tell the answer. Fine. Is it a variable declaration? Say yes or no. Is it a variable declaration? Can anyone tell? Yes, sir. This one we can call variable declaration. No. Students say this one. Is it a variable initialization? Tell me. Yes or not? So the first one is the, what is the first one? The first one is the variable declaration. Second one is the variable initialization. Fine. Now, students say this one. Whenever we take the where keyword, is it a where keyword? Whenever we take the where keyword, internally, JavaScript moves variable declaration to the top of the scope with value as undefined. Got it or not? Fun say this one. Here we declared the variable x or not. Variable x equal to 100. So whenever we are using var keyword, JavaScript engine will move our declaration. This is our declaration or not? Declaration to the top. Top means this is the top of the code or not? To the top with which value? Undefined. To which value? Undefined. Students, I'm repeating again here. Now, very, very important in the interview point of view. Fun. Students try to say this one, for example. For example, now I'm in which line? Line number 25. Variable x equal to 1, variable x equal to 100. Yes or not? Fun. Whenever we are using var keyword, internally what happen? Variable declaration. So is it a variable declaration? Yes or not? Yes, so this is the variable declaration. Variable declaration automatically moved to variable declaration automatically moved to top. Moved to top with which value? With which value? Undefined. Yes or not? Then this work, whatever the work we have, then this one we can call variable hoisting. Team, what do you call this one? What do you call? Variable hoisting. Fine. You people need to tell the answer now. Fine. Document dot write of x. Students, what is the answer? I need the answer. At least one or two members. What's the answer now? Undefined. What is the answer? Katyani, why we are getting the 100? Are we getting 100? What is the answer? Answer is the undefined or not? Undefined. Fun. Print x here. Students answer print x here. What is the answer? Now the answer is the 100. Yes or not? Fun. Say this one. Variable declaration. Whatever the variable declaration we have moved to the top or not? To the top. With which value? With which value? Undefined. Got it or not? Moving to the top with undefined. Technically, what we call? Technically, we can call variable hoisting. Technically, what we call? Technically, we can call variable hoisting. Compulsory interview panel question. As a fresher, if you people attended the interview, in the interview, this is the compulsory question. Remember that point. Now, here, check this one. What is the answer? Initially, we are getting undefined. Later, we are getting what? 100. Fine. Now, for example, if I take a let keyword team, if I take the let keyword, so what happened internally? Variable declaration moved to the top, but no value assigned. No value assigned. Say this one. Which keyword we are taking now? Let. Yes or not? Even though if you take the letter, declaration moved to the top, but no undefined. So this is the difference between where keyword and let keyword. Now here no value, so that's why we are getting what? Error. But we are getting error or not? Now we are getting the error. Fine. Team, are you getting the clarity or not? Yes or not? Who will assign undefined? Answer. Yeah, you people need to answer. Who will give undefined where keyword or not? Who will give error? Let. Final, who is correct? Let is correct. Where is not correct, students? Where is not correct? Let is correct. Remember that point. Then this concept, what do you call? Variable hoisting. Whatever the concept we have, that concept we can call variable hoisting. Remember that point. Fine. Now, students see the another thing. So that's why I'm requesting you people need to use let keyword. Don't use where keyword. From now onwards, I'm requesting you people use what? Let keyword. Don't use what? Don't use where keyword. Fine. Now, students see the another thing. And another thing, I will write the code. So I'm requesting you people need to tell the answer. Fine. Variable x equal to 100. Variable x equal to 100. Fine. Students say this one. Let me take block. This one we can call block. Whatever we have, this one we can call what? Block. Fine. Inside the block, let me take variable x equal to 200. What do you call? We can call, we can take variable x equal to 200. Fine. Students, see this one. This 200 we can call local variable. Whatever the 200 we have, that 200 we can call local variable. That 200 accessible within the block. Whatever the 200 we have, that 200 accessible within the block. And whatever the 100 we have, this one we can call global variable. This variable we can access anywhere. This variable we can access where? Anywhere. Fine. Students, take the time and tell me the output. I need the correct output from you. Documented right of X. Students, what is the answer? Array, respond. Everyone need to respond. What is the answer? Answer is the 100 na? Yes, answer is the 100. Fine. Think. Think and tell me the answer. Without thinking, don't tell me the answer. Think and tell me the answer. Answer. Documented right of X. Variable hoisting. Means what is the answer? Variable hoisting. What is the answer? Answer is the undefined. What is the answer? Answer is the undefined. Fine. Students, say this one. And another thing. And another thing is the, now try to say this one. Here, check this one here. Answer. At least one member need to take the answer. What is the answer? Answer is the 200. No doubt it. Yes or not? Fine. Students, think and tell me the answer. Without thinking, don't tell me the answer. Think and tell me the answer. Answer. Or reply here. What is the answer? Answer is the 100. Next one. Students, say this one. At least one or two members need to take the correct answer. Answer. Answer, chart with me. Documented right of X. Answer is the 100 na? Venkatramana. Why you people are saying the 200? Prabhu Anil Kumar, why you are saying the 200? Say this one. Which variable I'm accessing? I'm accessing global variable. Global variable in the sense, what is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is the 100 or not? Answer is the 100. We are expecting answer. The answer is the 100 is the answer. Check it out. But instead of 100, what we are getting? Answer, we are expecting 100. But what is the answer we are getting? 200. 200 is not the right answer. 200 is the wrong answer. 200 is not the correct answer. 200 is the wrong answer. Yes or not? Fun. How to get 100 only? Instead of where, take let keyword. If I take let keyword, what is the answer? 100. 100. See this one, students. Tell the code here. For example, if I take where keyword, what is the answer? Answer is the 200. Students, if I take let keyword, what is the answer? Answer is the 100. Yes or not? Finally, who is correct? Finally, who is correct? Let is correct. Finally, who is correct here? Let is correct. Got it or not? Then now try to remember this point. Fine. Yeah, students, from tomorrow onwards, very eligible to use which keyword? We're eligible to use which keyword? Let keyword. Don't use which keyword? Where keyword. I'm requesting you people, never use the where keyword. I'm requesting you people from tomorrow onwards, use the let keyword. Remember that point. Fine. Now, students, see the another thing. I have the another keyword, then that keyword we can call constant keyword. Which keyword we have? We have the another keyword, then that keyword we can call constant keyword. So, what is constant keyword? Reinitialization not possible. Reinitialization not possible. So meaning is the modification not possible. Modification not possible. That is called as the modification not possible. That is called as the constant keyword. When students say this one. Constant. Here I want you to place constant. Constant x equal to 100. Fine. So this 100 is the fixed. Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 is the fixed. We are not allowed to change that 100. Say this one. X equal to, now try to say this one. X equal to 1000. Students, is it possible to modify? Is it possible to modify? Never, never. We are unable to modify it. If we try to modify, automatically we will get the error. Yes or not? What we are getting here? We are getting the error. So by using constant means reinitialization not possible. Constant means what? Constant means reinitialization not possible. Whatever the reinitialization we have, the reinitialization not possible, that is called as what? Constant. Got it or not? Fine. Students, I need to tell another example. Say this one. Here x equal to 100. Fine. Are we missing any keyword here? Are we missing any keyword here? Yes. Use either a var keyword or let keyword or constant keyword. So compulsory we need to place students say this one. Compulsory we need to place either var keyword or let keyword or constant keyword. But am I placing anything? No, no. We are not placing anything. Yes or not? Here we didn't place anything here. If I'm not placing anything, obviously we are expecting error or not. Students, I'm expecting error or not, but we are not getting error here. What is the output we are getting? 100 is the output. But how to see the error? How to see the error? If you want to see error, we have one decorator. Then that decorator we can call use strict decorator. Use strict decorator. Automatically, we are able to see the error. Fancy this one. If I'm not following language standards, at the time, use strict will throw an error. If I remove, it will work. But I wanted to follow language standards perfectly. If you wanted to follow that standards perfectly, then we need to use one decorator. Then that decorator we can call use strict decorator. Fine. Now, students, are you getting some idea regarding the variables? Are you getting some idea regarding the variables? Answer var keyword, let keyword, constant keyword. Answer, at least you need to answer. Whoever watching on the YouTube, give the reply to me. Are you getting some concept like a var keyword, let keyword, and constant keyword? From tomorrow onwards, team, which keyword we need to use? Let, let keyword. Say bye bye to var keyword here. We need to use a let keyword. Fine. Now, students, I need to share this code to you. I'm requesting you people, please go through this code. Students, I'm sharing the both the files. Okay, I'm sharing the both the files. Please go through that files. Please go through that files, and I'm requesting you. You people need to go through that code. You people need to practice that code. Okay, na? Students, tell me, are you okay with this one? Reply, yaar. Please reply. Okay, na? Will you people practice this one? Yes, please practice it. Fine. Yeah, 7 o'clock students, you have the Python class. I'm requesting you. I'm requesting everyone, please join the Python class also. Soon, within 1 week or 10 days, we will start a data structures also. Like, arrays, so strings, so like linked list, stack, queue. We have the so many data structures are there. Na? Soon, within 10 days of time, we will start a data structures class also. So, meanwhile, I'm requesting you people need to practice this code. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you, students. Bye. 7 o'clock, please join the Python class.